kind of surrounds what FAU Thrive mostly focuses on. And we were wondering, how do you manage your own mental health in order for you to prevent burnout in your career, in your life?
Well, I think really good question. Balance. So my background is actually my flowers. They're not actually at this moment, um, but they were at a moment when they happened to be Vanda orchids. When my orchids were particularly happy. Um, and whether I was in Boston, the greater Boston area, or here, having some balance. I have three children, three daughters, and being fairly active in their lives. They're now all grown. One of which is actually a physician herself. Being actively involved with the family, having hobbies and interests, striking a balance. I think really makes a difference over the long haul. I often say to people who are going into medicine, but this is true of all professions,
Mhm.
it's a marathon, not a sprint. So you really have to think about, how are you going to be in it for the long haul, and pursue the things that you love. Um, you know, um, uh, well, I'm a physician. I worked particularly when I was in Boston, with social workers and with psychologists, uh, and particularly enjoyed that sort of balance of interprofessional contact. But
Mhm.
having interest in striking balance, I think, is um, uh, the antidote for burnout. Uh, I also like to exercise. So I have a small gym in my house, and I had, one of the nice things about doing that is it's about 9:15 here this morning. I could get up a little bit early, work out, and still be, on Zoom by 9 o'clock.
Yeah, love that. Thank you so much for sharing.